Hello guys, samahan niyo ko guys, i-update natin yung ating mga tanim na papaya guys, saka ating mga alaga. Bisitahin natin yung ating tanim na papaya, kung namumulaklak na guys. Samahan niyo ko guys, puntahan natin. Guys, maliit pa guys, huling tanim to guys, maliit pa. Ito guys, namulaklak na yung iba guys, mababa pa guys pero may bulaklak na guys. Guys, yan guys. Guys, maliit pa guys. Huling tanim lang to guys, bago lang. Ito guys, may bunga na yung isa guys. Ito yung pangalawang tanim ko guys. May bunga na. Namumulaklak na guys. Sana dami ang bunga guys. Ito guys, yung iba guys. Marami to guys. Ito, wala pang bulaklak guys. Yan yung isa. Mga napper guys, napper grass para sa ating mga alagang hayop guys, kambing at saka baka guys. Ito yung papaya natin guys, malapit nang mamulaklak yung iba guys. Yun na guys, mataba guys. Yung iba guys, dami guys. Guys, maliit, huling tanim. Ito guys, dami. Ito guys, may bulaklak na rin yung isa guys. Hindi sabay-sabay yung pagbulaklak nila guys. Yung iba may bulaklak, yung iba wala naman. Ito, mayroon na rin bulaklak guys. Bulaklak na guys. Iba. Yan guys, marami yung kamuting kahoy ko guys. Kamuting kahoy. Pa iba guys, dun pa. Dun guys oh. Marami yan guys. Guys, namulaklak na rin ito guys. Guys, maraming bulaklak na guys. Guys, bulaklak na sila guys. Marami ng bulaklak. Ito guys, may bunga na guys. Medyo malaki na yung bunga niya guys. Dalawa na guys. Yung isa guys, may bulaklak na rin guys. Itong isa guys, lalaki guys. Hindi magpubunga to guys. Iba yung klase yung bulaklak niya guys. Oh. Hindi na to magbubunga guys. Yung iba guys. Ito naman yung mga tanim ko na saging guys. Yun. Mga bago lang yan guys. Yun guys. Marami yan guys. Sa bayan guys. Saka kantong. Guys, kantong ang tawag dito guys. Parang latundan din yung lasa niya guys. Ano guys. Ngayon na yung aking baka guys. Nakita ko. Ito guys ha guys. May bulaklak na rin guys. Guys, oh, may bulaklak na. Bubulak na guys. Guys, maraming siling labuyo guys. Guys, dami ng hinog guys. Ito yung iba guys. Meron na rin bulaklak guys. Saging guys. Yung guys, native na papaya guys. Daming bunga guys. Sobrang dami. Sarap igulay guys. Guys, daming gayabano guys. Daming bunga. Guys. Ito yung iba guys. Sobrang dami na guys. Lapit ng mahinog yung iba guys. Dami na guys. Maingay yung manok guys. Muputak. Mangingitlog yata guys. Iba guys. Dami guys. Ito guys, daming bunga guys. Ang sili guys. Puntahan natin yung ating alagang kambing guys. Mga pala guys, pato guys. Ito yung aming pato guys. Ito yung bahay nila guys. Ito. Yan. Yan ang bahay nila. Ito na tayo guys sa ating kambing guys. Yan guys, may balot na naman silang kapote guys. Dahil masama pa rin yung panahon guys. Maambon-ambon guys. May balot pa rin sila ng sumabit guys. Sumabit sa kawayan guys. Isa guys, ibalot. Kapote. Yung iba ba guys, may balot nun guys na kapote guys, plastic. Dahil ulan-ulan guys. Kailangan nilang may balot guys. Para hindi sila mabasa guys. Okay, guys. Yan yung tower. Tower dito yan guys. Hanggang dito na lang guys. See you next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel guys.